In part A, we looked at how to find the solutions to these kind of questions. To make sure that you understand this, press pause and do these two now. When you're ready, press play. So you should have multiplied everything in this bracket by x. X times x is x squared, and x times plus 3 is plus 3x. In this one, everything in the bracket needs multiplying by 4. So we've got 4 times x, which is 4x, and 4 times plus 3, which is plus 12. We're now going to move on to questions like this, which look a lot harder, but you've actually got all of the skills that you need to be able to answer this question. I've got to multiply everything in this bracket by everything in this bracket. So I'm going to start with the x. So I've got x times x, which is x squared, and x times plus 3, which is plus 3x. This is exactly the same as the question we did up here. Now I'm going to multiply everything here by the plus 4. So I've got plus 4 times x, which is plus 4x, and I've got plus 4 times plus 3, which is plus 12. This part is the same as this bit that we did here. To get my final answer, I can put this all together. I've got x squared plus 3x plus 4x gives me plus 7x, and I've also got the plus 12. So this is the final answer. You'll notice the question says expand, that's where I got this part from, and simplify, and that's this part here. So here's another one. I start by multiplying by x. So x times x, x squared, x times plus 1, plus 1x, which I write as plus x, plus 2 times x, plus 2x, plus 2 times plus 1, plus 2. That's the expand part. Now I need to simplify. So I've got x squared, plus 1x, plus 2x, so that's plus 3x, and plus 2 on the end. Here are some for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers. This question is similar, but a bit more tricky because I've got this 3 in front of the x here. I still do it in the same way. So I've got 3x times x, which is 3x squared, 3x times plus 1, which is plus 3x, plus 2 times x, which is plus 2x, and plus 2 times plus 1, which is plus 2. Now I need to simplify. I've got 3x squared, plus 3x plus 2x, that's plus 5x, plus 2. So this is my final answer. Now try this trickier question. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. So we start with 2x times 4x. 2 times 4 is 8, and x times x is x squared. Then 2x times plus 5, so that's plus 10x. Then plus 3 times 4x, so that's plus 12x. And then plus 3 times plus 5, so that's plus 15. We can simplify. We get 8x squared plus 10x plus 12x is plus 22x plus 15. Here are some more for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers. Now these questions are more difficult because you can see we've got negatives in them. Let's start with this one. We're going to answer it in the same way. So we're going to multiply everything here by x. X times x is x squared. X times plus 1 is plus 1x, which I write as plus x. Now I've got to multiply everything here by minus 3. This is the bit that can go wrong, so you need to be really careful. So I've got minus 3 times x, that's minus 3x, and minus 3 times plus 1, that's minus 3. So when I simplify, I've got x squared plus 1x, but minus 3x, that's minus 2x, and then minus 3 on the end. To start this one, I'm going to multiply by 2x. So I've got 2x times 4x, that's 8x squared. 2x times minus 2, that's minus 4x. Plus 1 times 4x, that's plus 4x. And plus 1 times minus 2, that's minus 2. Simplifying gives me 8x squared minus 4x plus 4x is nothing, so I've just got the minus 2 on the end. Now in this last one, we've got a minus here and a minus here, so we need to be extra careful. I start with 3x times x, that's 3x squared. Then I've got 3x times minus 4, that's minus 12x. Then I've got minus 2 times x, that's minus 2x. And minus 2 times minus 4, that's plus 8. Simplifying it gives me 3x squared minus 12x minus another 2x, so that's minus 14x altogether, and then plus 8 on the end. There are two places in this question where people tend to make mistakes. The first one is that they can't see where the plus 8 comes from. It's because we've got minus times minus, and minus times minus makes plus. The other place is here. You need to remember to use your number line to simplify this. So we have minus 12x minus 2x, giving us minus 14x. Here are some of those for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers. This is your final set of questions. Before you start these, I want to show you something. Anything squared means that you've got to multiply it by itself. So to do these questions, you must write it out like this. I'm going to do 2x plus 4 times 2x plus 4. If you don't write it out like this first, you run the risk of getting it wrong. Now that you know this, you can do all of these questions. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers.